Welcome to this detailed tutorial on resizing images for a popular website platform. In this guide, we will walk you through each step to ensure your images are appropriately resized, making your content both attractive and optimized for your website. Begin by opening your internet browser and navigating to the website platform you use for your site. Once the homepage fully loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the option to log in. After you click on the login button, the website displays several methods for signing in. In this instance, locate and select the option that mentions continuing with a well-known email provider. Selecting this method will take you to a screen where you can choose from the accounts you are already using. By clicking on the account you wish to use, you allow the website platform to authenticate your identity and provide you with access to the dashboard. Once you are successfully logged in, the next task is to access your media library. The media library is the section of the website where all your uploaded images are stored. Look for the media option in the dashboard menu and click on it. This action will bring up a list or gallery of all the images you have uploaded in the past. As you browse through the library, identify the image that you intend to resize. When you find the appropriate image, click on it to open the detailed view. This detailed view gives you access to various image options and settings that you will need later. After opening the chosen image, locate the Edit Image feature within the interface. When you click on the Edit Image option, the system will present you with several image editing tools. Look for the tool specifically labeled with the word Scale. The Scale tool allows you to adjust the dimensions of your image quickly and with precision. Upon selecting the Scale option, an interface will appear where you can input new measurements for either the width, the height, or both. Take this time to carefully consider the new dimensions you require for your image, enter your desired measurements into the provided fields, and check to ensure that they maintain the correct aspect ratio or are appropriate for your website's design. Once you have entered all the necessary information and confirmed that the new dimensions are correct, click on the button that confirms and applies the changes. This final click on the Scale button integrates your new settings, resizing the image to your specifications. Following the completion of these steps, your image is now resized and ready for use on your website. The process described here makes image optimization straightforward and ensures that your media content fits seamlessly into your site's design. Enjoy the improved appearance of your images as they now meet the dimensions that best complement your overall content layout.